Hey, hello everybody, it's me zbeZz and welcome back to another malware review aka malware demonstration. Today we're gonna review the malware called Windows 11X created by zbeZz or just ZB. From the name of the malware you can guess that it is a so-called fake update tool for Windows 11, and because the creator ZB didn't provide me any readme file with further information, I can't say much about it. Guys, I'm gonna say it for the last time. If you are willing to give me a sample for this malware review, give me the goddamn readme file. Like jeez, it's not that difficult. Okay, let's go back to the topic. So Windows 11X was created in C# programming language together with Net Framework 4.7.2. I know that because I managed to decompile it. So yeah, we got its source code. And that's pretty much it from the all information I can tell you. Before we're gonna demonstrate this malware on this poor computer, I would like to tell you that most of you are still not subscribing, so please, if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel. It's totally for free and you can unsubscribe whenever you want. I spent a lot of time on editing my videos. I would appreciate any kind of support. Thank you very much. I'm actually curious and actually want to try this malware because it is a fake Windows installation, which sounds very interesting to me. So I think without further ado, we can actually launch the malware and see what will happen on this operating system. By the way, the background is different again. Oh, and we got this dialog box. Windows 11X setup. Welcome to the Windows 11 setup. This setup will guide you on the installation of the best operating system made by Microsoft. If you need any help or you need any questions, don't hesitate to ask zbeZz or CocoMelon3528 on Discord. Oh really? We can actually ask the questions. That's very convenient. One thing I can notice from just the beginning of this malware is that it was created in Windows Form application. Of course I have the source code, but even without the source code I can guess that this malware is definitely made in Windows Form application, or at least this UI is made in Forms application. So let's continue and see what we get. Okay, Windows 11X license agreement. Okay, we got some license. Of course this is just a silly joke, he didn't even create a license for it, but whatever. You may not release this operating system to the public as it contains a lot of bugs. What? A lot of bugs? Like really? First of all, what's the point of this update? Why would you ever update your operating system with a tool like this that contains bugs? That doesn't make any sense, but hey, whatever. What happened if I click exit? Oh, it just terminates the application. That was expected. Okay, so let's actually continue and agree. By the way, I should increase the volume a little bit, just if this malware have any effects or sounds. Agree. Windows 11X edition selected. Windows 11 Home edition unavailable. Pro edition available. Please enter your product key. Oh no guys, I don't know the product key. What can I do? I need to actually buy it or somehow purchase it from the creator. How can I get this product key? Oh, so here we have the license of it. Let's just copy it and paste it there. Hopefully it will work. By the way, the design of this form application is horrible. Look how the button is placed. This doesn't look very good. Explorer is not gonna be available till setup is done. Task manager will not be available for now. The BCD is gonna get modified. The boot screen may change depending on what drives you have. You have. Okay, yeah, great. That's a very formal language, by the way. Your computer will reboot a couple of times. Guys, so should I even install it? I'm afraid actually. I guess I should give it a shot. What the fuck happened? Did you see that? There was a penguin. Apparently that penguin represents Linux operating system. Shit, I forgot to turn on the share folder.
You stupid.
Wait, what? Okay, I guess I'm in the safe mode right now. We suck more. What the fuck is that? Okay, first of all, I need to disable. What? That's super loud. That's unbelievably loud. Completing. Okay, that's very strange. Can you tell me why there's a Linux in the background? What? My files disappeared. Oh no. Okay, I think it corrupts the registry files or registry values, data, etc. Can we actually get rid of this window or we can escape it? I can even resize this window. Can I enter any application here? Microsoft Copilot. Oh, guys, GDI effects. Look. Look what we can create.
I'm about to blow.
Can erase it with the mouse because You know, the system is corrupted. Yeah, this malware delete a bunch of registry files, very important registry files. So that's why we can't access to any of these applications, not even the computer. Oh, we can actually access to the computer. Can I go into the properties? What? No, properties doesn't work. Okay, I think it deleted this application. Okay, I can access to anything. It doesn't let me to go through these directories. So the malware is actually running in this folder. And yeah guys, this is what happens when you try to launch fake Windows Update tools. As you can see, it totally trashed my computer. And even my files are gone, like everything is gone guys. Can I even launch the Paint or Calendar, Photos, Explorer, Task Manager? Okay, Task Manager doesn't exist. Okay, now I can't even access to the Start menu. What the fuck is happening? Oh my god. Everything is glitching right now. I think I broke this malware, or I think this is the final payload or something. I think we are cooked. So let's restart the computer. Oh, I can even restore it. I can even restart this computer. Oh, now it works. Sometimes the VMware has a stroke. Oh yeah. So this malware totally messed up our master boot record. Without this master boot record, we cannot boot into the system, of course, because the master boot record contains the necessary information and there's a connection. So if we're gonna cut this connection, then we can't go into the system again. I'm actually wondering, can I launch this malware on different operating system? So let's try it on this operating system. Apparently it works perfectly fine. Okay, that's very strange. Continue. I agree with that. Yes. Okay. And install. Oh, so I guess it works. I'm assuming it works. Oh, yeah, it actually works. Okay. So apparently it doesn't work on Windows 8. Can it do some damage to my device? I don't think it can. Can I access to the Task Manager? No, Task Manager is disabled. So I think it can still do some kind of damage, even though this operating system is not compatible with this malware. It even like messed up my UAC protection. As you can see, it disables the UAC protection. So now every application can be run with administrator privileges. So yeah, that's it. Yeah, it can still do some kind of damage, but let's actually see if it can like destroy the master boot record. Yeah, this malware is even dangerous for Windows 11. Okay, wonderful. Okay guys, so that will be it for this video. I hope you enjoy it. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, like this video and write a comment. Thank you and goodbye.